Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have two boxes from Misfits today. One is over here and the other one is over there. We're gonna get them both open. But first, if you haven't tried them yet, there's a link in the description down below where you can save off your first order. This is not sponsored by Misfits. I pay for everything in these boxes. With all of that out of the way, let's get the boxes open and find out what's inside. They have something inside for Impossible. I'm not a fan of Impossible. It is very processed. If you do like Impossible, I guess you might be interested in this. There's a recipe on the back as well. But I stay away from things that are processed, and unfortunately, Impossible is a very processed food. We have our ice pack. Just one. This is BioDrain, and it's pretty solid. And as always, our ever-present useless piece of cardboard. I don't remember at all what I ordered, so this is kind of a surprise to me. We got some fennel, and the bulb of this fennel is very, very small, but this part is good. I love that part. I cook with it. I use it like an herb or something. I don't know if anybody else does that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you use your fennel tops for anything, and if you do, what do you use them for? Oh, this is some really nice looking broccolini. I love broccolini. This is one of my favorites. And this looks really good. Big bunch of ginger. I can't remember what this cost, but you guys know I'm gonna go over my receipt with you at the end. Stay with me till the end and I will tell you what everything in here cost. 3 limes so far. They look good. Some organic mandarins. These look good. I don't remember ordering potatoes. It's always possible I did order something and I didn't remember it. I honestly don't think I did. So stay with me and we'll go over that receipt because I'm not sure about those potatoes. I did order these. These are organic Meyer lemons. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this bag. Some more limes. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 limes. 5. Remember that, guys. 5 limes. 5 limes. We have some more of this Fever Tree ginger beer. Colin likes it. I actually really like it too. It was cheap, so that's why I got it again. Another lime. 6 limes. 6. Remember that, guys. 6 limes. And then we have some more Meyer lemons, and these look good. 5 in here as well. I got some organic imported Southern Italian tomatoes, and these are whole peeled tomatoes, and I got 2 of these. I use tomatoes like crazy. I got some roasted chicken broth. It sounded good. It's probably not the best ingredients. It's not organic, but it is gluten-free, no MSG, non-GMO. I like that it said roasted chicken. I fell for the marketing. I mean, I knew it wasn't organic. So the ingredients are chicken stock, salt, natural flavors, carrots, cabbage, celery, chicken broth, onions, chicken broth. Dried chicken broth. That's what that second one was. It's not the best. It's not the greatest, but it sounded good. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. I did order these. This is actually an odd thing for me to order. I was hungry. I gotta stop placing these orders when I'm hungry. Look, farm to table organic whole dill pickles. There is a lot of garlic in there. And now we have a cold pack, and unlike Imperfect Foods, it's sealed. They sealed it. The Imperfect could learn something from this. By the way, this box was super heavy when I picked it up. 2 ice packs in with the sealed, and this is different. So this is Creative Ice by Pack Temp. They sealed it, they put the ice packs in there, and we have fresh mozzarella, sliced fresh mozzarella, and then we have some organic sharp cheddar cheese, some ricotta cheese. I don't know why I got this. Fondue. I don't know. I figured it might be fun to do one night. Fondue. Colin will probably hate me for this. We got some fondue. What is the expiration date on this? October 2022. So I have like a year, 10 months to use the fondue. Some sweet Italian chicken sausage. I can't talk. We've had this before. It's really good. I've put it on pizza. I've made pasta with it. It's really good, and you wouldn't even know that it's chicken. Oh my goodness, look, so many ice packs. They put 4 ice packs in with the cold stuff. That's why the box was so heavy. And then we've got another of the Italian chicken sausage and some more fresh mozzarella. This is a small one and it's not sliced. So that's box number 1. Now let's get box number 2, which hopefully is not as heavy as box number 1. The ice pack on top with some more about Impossible. Wow, this is a lot of ice packs and our useless piece of cardboard, of course. The ever-present useless piece of cardboard. They're really pushing Impossible because we've got 3 flyers about Impossible. Some white button mushrooms. And everything in here is organic. It's not like Imperfect where some of it is and some of it isn't. Some pea shoots. I love those. You know, I love to make burgers and put pea shoots on my burgers. That's how I eat my burgers. Shiitake mushrooms. Maybe Bella mushrooms. Let's keep with the mushrooms. And portobello mushrooms. Lots of mushroom. And then we've got some romaine. These are hearts of romaine. This is actually a lot of stuff. I don't think I realized I ordered this much. Then we've got some cranberries. Did I order these? I don't recall ordering potatoes. I mean, I might have. We're definitely gonna have to check that because red potatoes. And I honestly didn't think I ordered potatoes because we don't need potatoes. Why would I order them? The celery is a little sad. I mean, it's fine. It's just a little broken. Wait till you see this. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's ginormous. It won't even fit in the frame of the camera. This is the largest leek that I have ever seen. Did I order potatoes? Because now I got a bag of russets. Did I order all these potatoes? Some of the take and bake bread French loaf. We love that. I say it every time, but we really do love it. And then some organic haricot vert. And these bags are twice the size of the ones that we got from Imperfect Foods. I know I didn't order this. I did not order flax milk. I know I didn't order flax milk. I wonder what that's a substitute for. I did order these because I thought Colin might want them. An eggplant, so we can do eggplant parm. And then I got some of the grapefruit soda that you guys know I love so much. They had it, and they said it's last chance. I don't know if it really is last chance, but I wasn't going to take a chance, and I got it. There are 4 of the sodas. And this is number 4. All right, let me get my receipt so I can tell you what I paid for all this. The organic cranberries were $2.49. The limes were $6, which is what we got, for $1.99. And they say that they're organic small limes, but you know what? They're not small. I'm glad I got them because this is just a normal lime. That's funny. The celery was $2.19. The mandarin oranges it was 2 pounds for $4.99. The fennel was $1.99. The portobello mushroom caps were $2.89. The white mushrooms were $2.19. The baby Bella mushrooms were $2.29. The broccolini was $3.99. I think that's a little high for broccolini. The pea shoots were $2.99. The shiitake mushrooms were $3.19. The leek, it says leeks, but it's a leek for $2.69. It is a very large leek though. The eggplant was $1.79. The green beans were a pound for $4.49. Why did I order potatoes? What was I thinking? The russet potatoes were $2.99, and that's for a 3-pound bag. The red potatoes were $3.99. That's also for a 3-pound bag. Yukon Gold or yellow potatoes, that was $3.99, also for a 3-pound bag. I don't really need any of that. I'm not sure why I got it. The ginger root, deal of the century. The ginger root was, girls! I can't even. The ginger root was 69 cents. The romaine was $3.99. The bread was $3.99. The grapefruit soda were 4 for $5.99. The ginger beer was 8, and it says 2 because they sell them in 4s, so basically they open the pack up. Don't know why. 8 for $4.59. Fresh mozzarella, the 8-ounce ball was $2.99. The sliced mozzarella, the 1 pound, that was $3.99. The ricotta cheese was $2.99. The fondue was $7.99. Wow, why did I buy that? I'm weird. Organic sharp cheddar cheese was 6 ounces for $3.99. The canned tomatoes, these were $3.98 for 2. These were 99 cents. The pickles were $3.99. I feel like that is a good deal. This is a good deal. This is like 2 pounds of pickles. Meyer lemons were 2 bags for $5.98. That's a really good deal. The chicken sausage were 2 packs for $10.98, and I feel like that's fair. Each pack is about 10 ounces. So my total was $120.73, and shipping was $4.50. So my grand total was $125.23. I had no credits because no one used my code. Link in the description down below. Misfits says that's a savings of $67.34. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm kind of baffled as to why I got some of these things. Do you do that? Do you buy things and then wonder why you got them? Not sure why I got all the potatoes. I'm gonna have to, using a lot of potatoes. Was the broth on the receipt? I'm gonna have to go back and look at that. I definitely didn't get that flax milk. That was just thrown in there. Was a broth in here? Yeah. The chicken broth was $2.49, and I did not order the flax milk. I don't know that I'm missing anything else though. So I guess we got some bonus flax milk this week. What do you think? Is this a good deal for what I paid? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you want to give Misfits a try, you can do that. In the description down below, there's a link and you'll save off your first order. If you want to beat inflation, this is the way to do it. So far, I have found Misfits to be the best value for your money. This is Aimée. Happy eating and happy holidays. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.